you doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so on today's video, me and Francesco are actually going for grocery shopping, and we want to take you guys along with us. And after the grocery shopping, we're going to come and arrange the fridge, and then I'm going to give you a tour of how our kitchen looked like. So the previous video you've seen, we have moved out, so at least the kitchen is the only place that I can now show you for now, because I've made a bit of progress for now. So yeah, I guess let's go and get some groceries and come and restock the fridge as I give you a tour of the kitchen. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Okay, bye bye guys.
I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
So guys, we're already at the supermarket. It's so windy, I guess you guys can hear from the video. So here is the supermarket. Okay guys, so I'm finally back. It was so hard because it was so cold and Francie was just not having it, so I just did it as fast as possible. The groceries are right over here. I want to show you the groceries are over here and here. So I want to show you how the fridge looks like now, and then how it looks like right now. I'm going to show you the aftermath of everything that I have done. So let's get into it. So also here is the freezer. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so guys, today we want to do a kitchen tour. It's your video. We want to do a kitchen tour. We've like finished basically everything with the kitchen, but the rest of the house we haven't finished. So that's what we want to do. But before you see this part, you're going to be seeing the before of how the kitchen was, and then now you're going to be seeing the after of what we've done in this kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi. Say hi. Okay.
All right.
Hi.
That's good.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo.
Welcome to the kitchen. Tell them welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the kitchen. The previous video that you'll see before, we didn't have curtains. Now we installed the curtains. At least now we have this, only the shear. So we have this shear. Here there was nothing. I put like oil and black pepper and salt and all the stuff. There is fruits over here. And then down here there is a lot of stuffs which I'm not going to go into. Then we have this table that we added a bit later because as you saw this whole place was empty, so we decided to put a small table over here. Of course this is the feeding chair for this young man. And then here of course these are also kitchen stuffs that are just supposed to be there that we put there. On this side we have the fridge that you guys saw. Over here we have the dish. No. Over here we have the dishwasher. It's just over here. And then after the dishwasher, this is where we put our garbage. It's clean. I'm sure. I know you think it's not clean, but it's clean. So it's clean. Okay, the garbage place. And then here is the washing machine where we wash clothes. This place is just like everything is just over there, including the microwave and all the other stuff like the microwave, rice cooker, baby's milk and his cereals and all those stuffs. And then right over here we have the dryer, and before the dryer we have this beauty which is our, can we call this our pantry? I guess this is our little pantry that we have over here. Yeah guys, so I guess that is it for this video, and until next time, bye bye.
Bye.
Tell them bye. Okay. Bye guys.
Y con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pasó entre yo solo cuenta todo, y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves a pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, que ahora adultos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer. Tu piel caramelizada y el pecado que pronto voy a cometer. Esa voz tan delicada no demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que pasó entre yo solo cuenta todo, y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves.